As a pressure washing business, here are some things that you should have for your business. A lot of people are confused with what type of CRM to use and what type of foundation to put their clients in, how to market to them, how to have automations, emails sent out to them, all kinds of stuff. Here I'm going to be talking to you guys about how all of that works, and that is with GoHighLevel. So as you guys can see, there's tons of things you guys can do here. There's a launch pad where you can incorporate all kinds of things. WhatsApp, generate leads from your website. You can integrate your Facebook, your Google business profile, a Stripe account to collect payments. So as you can see here, we have a pipeline full of leads. All you have to do is drag and drop. With this, it is super easy to maintain leads, send them the automations they need, and you pretty much see everything right in front of you. Everything is just managed right from here. All of these back-end automations, which are right in here, so all of these control that pipeline that you just saw. So in each one of these, every time you drag one of these to something else, one of these will be triggered and it will send them a sequence of emails over time, or it'll send them a message or a follow-up or something. And it will also just do a few other things like remove tags, create opportunities, change them around. And I'll break down a few of them. So this is the first one we have, and this is just off of a form submission. So it will add a tag that we can see is a washed in and sealed tag. It just makes each client different for us, and then it is then added to the pipeline, and then an SMS and an email is then sent to them, plus an internal notification to me and my business partner, so we both are aware that we got a new lead. The address not full, so if there's a user that has not submitted the right information, they have only put in their town, or they're just Ontario, for example, they put in, we pretty much just add them to not full, and then we send them out a SMS and an email asking them to clarify their address for us. Within the zero response in 3 days, they are followed up with texts and emails, just more texts and emails followed up. And then this, there is a link sent with the SMS trying to book in the client, and it basically says this week is good for the weather. If you like, we can get you in. So pretty much what you would do is just see whatever we would see here, and then put to close this week. So I would just be dragging a few of these people. I'll be doing that tomorrow, but yeah, not right now. Once we go back to this, if they have not responded to that or anything, we are then sending them to the 4 emails, and what this would do is send them 4 emails within 2 or 3 weeks, I believe, just following up with them, checking in if they'd like to book. And then if they do not do that, we then throw them to the not interested emails, where they're sent another 3 emails, just following up with them, showing them some before and afters and how we get the job done. Stay tuned for more content updates, and I will be posting more shortly. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Peace.